Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dionne. All right, today's video is sort of a part 2, I guess, to my wig review. Like, I bought 3 wigs from Wish. I did the first one. I will post that up in the cards. And this is the second one. And so yeah, you know, I'm not a wig person. Like I said the first time, I just saw some wigs on Wish and I said that would be fun to go ahead and try to act like I'm some kind of hair expert, which I am not by any means. So I thought it would be fun, so that's what I did. I just purchased a couple wigs, 3 wigs to be exact. The first one, which you'll see in the other video, was $11. This one was $1. The one I'm about to do today was $1, seriously. And then the other one that I'm going to be doing next was $4, I believe. So yeah, so anywho, okay, back to what we're here for. We're here because I'm about to do a review on a wig that costs $1, and here it is. It just comes in a bag like this. And yeah, before I start rambling too much, let's just go ahead and get into the video. And I do have on my little stocking cap because my hair is wrapped again. I'm just going to do this before I take my own hair out because I'm running out. But I just wanted to do this little wig review while my hair was still wrapped up. And then, you know, I'll take it off and take my own hair out because I don't wear wigs outside really. Not unless I don't have my hair done, which is, you know, not too often. So, but anyway, okay. Here we go. And, you know, it doesn't come with a name or anything like that. It's just in a bag and has this little barcode on there. So, I don't know. But, again, this was only $1. $1. That's why I got it. I'm not particular with, you know, I'm not really fond of being a blonde. I'm really not. But $1. Who can beat that? Who can beat $1? $1. All right, and so it's cute. It's like the other one. It does a lot of shedding, I see. Shedding, but it's still cute. I like it. And yet again, when I said I'm going to do a review, I do not have a comb or a brush. Look at that. See? If I wanted to call myself doing something, I'm supposed to have a comb or a brush or something, you know? Anywho, but it doesn't shed nothing like the other one, even when I run my fingers through it. Oh, I guess that was just like something that was on there, but yeah, this ain't shedding like that. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, so inside of this one, it has 2 combs in the front. It has, yeah, 2 combs in the front, and it also has the, what's that, the strap again to tighten it in case you have a small head or what have you. Yeah, so let's go ahead, and I see that it has a little part there. And I could probably, and you know, I would put some concealer on this because I would probably, you know, I don't know if I would wear this out or not, but you know, I have worn wigs out sometimes on date nights and things like that when I'm trying to be even more little sexy or something, you know. So, but yeah, I could probably, yeah, put some concealer up on there in the part and stuff and make it look a little bit more. And I probably might pluck that a little bit more. I'm not sure. But anyway, again, I'm not an expert. I just be saying what those girls be saying. And I watch enough videos to know that I could probably do that. But anyway, let's go ahead and put on this hair. I don't even know if I'm putting it on. Oh yeah, and for me, even, you know, it has a part in there, but for me, I don't wear, like, I don't like my parts down the middle, so I would probably turn it to the side because I like side parts. I just do. I don't like middle parts. I don't. And also, if I was wearing this outside, I wouldn't have all this extra baggage back here. I'll make this as flat as possible. I wouldn't even wear this. I would wear a wig cap, you know. So let's go ahead and put this on. And yeah. Okay, let's get that back there and pull this down. All right, see, that's what it is in the middle. Let's just see. Sorry, I'll be sliding down in this chair here. Okay, so, but it's actually pretty freaking flat. Oh, and I'm supposed to pull my scalp back. I mean, my stocking cap back, so forgot to do that. All right. Actually, it's pretty flat, y'all. Pretty freaking flat. And yeah, this is what it looks like in straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. A nice little length here. Stop before I break my damn back. But yeah, there you go. That's cute. Nice. I don't know how I feel about being a blonde. I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel about being a blonde, honey. I don't know. Okay, but anyway, like I said, that's it in the, with it to the front. I mean, in the middle there. You know, it's cool. It's cool. Let's go ahead and turn this thing to the side like I like my parts all up on the side. I like my parts on the side. All right, yeah, I like that better on the side, yeah. And I would gel down these edges. I would gel down the, not gel, I mean, you know what I'm saying. What's that stuff? The edge control. Edge down these sides. But, yeah, this is cute. It's cute. How do I look as a blonde? It's not flattering, is it, y'all? I think it kind of washes me out. How do I look as a blonde? I don't know. Because I've only ever been a purple head and I've been a redhead, you know? So I don't know. Blonde, I don't know what I think about the blonde. I don't know what I think about the blonde. You know what? This lipstick does not go with this this eye look, y'all. There is a full review on this whole entire makeup look, which I will link up in the cards as well or in the description. But either way, yeah, there's a whole look. It is affordable makeup, $1 makeup. Every single thing that I have on is $1. But again, that will be linked up in the cards or in the description. But yeah, when I ordered all that stuff, I don't know why I didn't order something knowing that I ordered a purple eyeshadow palette. Why I didn't order a purple, I don't know. But I just now looked in here and saying that, oh, shit don't even look all that great together. But if I was going somewhere, I would change the lipstick anyway. So, yeah. But, yeah. So, you know what I'm going to do? But yeah, this hair is cute. Let me, get me a makeup wipe here and see what I think if I change the lipstick. This has nothing to do with this video, but guess what? I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna do it anyway. And now it's gonna mess up my lips around, I'm trying not to get it on my foundation. All right, that looks okay. That looks okay. And pardon me, folks, while I find me something a little more purple. First, I picked up my little pony Ultra Matte Color Pop Kat Von D LUVE. So I don't know which one, y'all. Which one? I got more purples, but I think about this one, the Tarte. You know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the Kat Von D. All right. See, here on my channel, we work through these little technical difficulty things here. I'm not gonna edit nothing. I'm trying to do this video in one swoop with no editing. That's my goal, and that's what I'm gonna try to do. So anyway, lips is a little dry. Maybe I should put a little something, something. Where is my coconut oil? Oh. Just a little of the Kapari coconut oil. All right, let's go in with this and see what that does for my look. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it can do what it do. Yeah, I like it better. I like it better. I like it better. I like it better. Oh yeah, I like it better. I like it better. Okay. Okay, everyone. So, final thoughts on this unit. I like this unit. I do. I'm just still not, I mean, I like how it's curly and how it's like it don't shed as much as the other one. And I like the little length. It's you know, it's cute. I just don't know how I feel about me being a blonde though. I'm not really sure about that. I don't know. You feel you think it washed me out, yo? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you think this washes me out, make me look kind of bland, kind of I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you never miss an upload. Like the video and comment. Thank you so much. Bye.